Good morning, sir. Today I will present about my assignment, and the system that I developed for this assignment is called Stock Analysis Web Application, and is focused on providing an interactive platform for stock data visualization, analysis, prediction, and customization. And this system is designed for those users who have not the financial background, such as student, beginner investor. And this aim to make a stock market analysis easier to understand and more accessible. And for the primary objective of this system is to analyze historical stock data for better understanding of market trends. And next is to provide basic prediction feature based on historical data and to visualize stock data through the interactive chart and visuals. Okay, now so let us proceed to the website. Now we can see here got drop bar first. Got drop bar. You can just choose what you want here lah. Is the recommended. Okay, if the stock that you want to search is not in the drop bar, then you can click the search icon. Then it will pop up the search bar. Then you can type here. Okay. For example, we click AAPL search. Okay. So we can see AAPL and the stock price, RSI, MACD, and volume, and also the information about it. Okay. So let us talk from top to bottom. Okay, for the candlestick, so if the user cannot understand about the candlestick or is not like to use the candlestick, you can choose line chart and you can see line chart. And when you put your mouse on the point here, then you can see the details of the point. Like here is 213. Okay, so also got the 5-day MA, and here got the moving average, means that got expand here. And then when you want to ignore the AAPL, you also can click here to ignore AAPL, and also for the 5-day MA lah. Okay, so for the information, we provide the company name, price, sector, industry, okay, and so on lah. Also the description about the company. So why we provide this? We provide this to let the user more understand about the stock, about the company that they are tracked on, they are searched on. Okay. Next, we can talk about the prediction function. Okay, for the search interface is almost same with the previous with the main page lah. Okay, so the drop bar, search bar. Okay, for example, we search the prediction module for the Apple. Okay, so we can see here these two data in one chart with the historical chart and the prediction chart. Okay, so same lah. So if you don't want to see you want to ignore this, okay, you just click it. Prediction, you can see the prediction, and here also will show the prediction price. Okay, go back. Okay, for the customization, this very interested. So we can see now we haven't have the button customize. Okay, but he need you to confirm what the data you want to search. Okay, then the customize button will pop up, and then you can proceed to use the data. Okay, so here got many function to let the user to use. Okay, for the duration, you can see when we choose 1 week, okay, then the data will be shown in week by week lah. Okay, so next is the buy marker. User can put the buy marker, sell marker on the screen, on the chart at the place they want lah. Next is line tools. They can also draw line. Okay, draw lines for it. Okay, so now like this, if the user want to save it, also can. We provide a save as image button. You can click. Okay, then you can see here is successfully to save. We open it. Okay, we can see it's same as the file just now you save, right? Okay, and lastly also there's a also important function which is a clear drawing. Okay, you give back the original original chart. Okay, go back, and this is all the function of this system. So next, let's proceed to the self drawing for the code. Okay, for the just now customization button, we can, if you want it to show up, but not we after search the data then it show up. We want it when we refresh and it will here. So we can do like this. Okay, so first we search for the customize. Okay, then we can see here this can be deleted. Okay, next. Okay, this ID is just now ID can be deleted. Okay, you can see here display none, this also can be deleted. Okay, next, for this can be deleted, and this also be deleted. Okay, by this we can see that okay, the customize button is appear, but this is useless for this system lah, because when we click, okay, you can see please search for the stock first, because we here got the function. Okay, if the is not data, it will alert that please search for the stock. Okay, next is go to, you can see, okay, go to customize. Okay, for the line tools, okay, we can see it also only can draw the line, but if we want the dash line, how we do it? Okay, also can we go to the customize HTML, and then we go here. Okay, here, okay, we can add in this dash, then we use shift key, means that when we hold shift key, then we can and we can draw by mouse. And next is the here. Okay, we can tap this. Okay, by these two line coding only. Okay, we can see. Refresh first. Okay, we hold shift and then we can we can draw the dash line, and we release the shift, we can draw the normal line. Okay, and last no last sorry. Okay, we go back, we need to see this. Okay, where we click for the other dimension, it will now out of the box. Okay, so now I will proceed to my conclusion. So in conclusion, the stock analysis platform is stock analysis web application provide a complete platform for stock market visualization, analysis, prediction, and customization. So the system help user, especially the beginner lah, okay, to easy understand the stock trends and apply technique indicators and make simple prediction based on the real market data. So we can see that the core design of this website is simplicity, clearly, and easy to understand and easy to use. So by using real-time APIs, which is 12 data and the FMP APIs, the application offer both educational and practical value for stock market learning. Although the apps is successfully achieved the objective, but also need to have the future improvement that could future enhance. For example, the multi-language support. We can do for the multi-language support in future because it's not only help in increasing the user base, also align with the global accessibility standards, making the platform suitable for educational institution informations for the international students and for the global finance learner. And that's all from me. Thank you.